Alrighty, day 7. This is the this is what it looks like after curing for, I don't know, 12 hours. This is the Ford Ranger floor pan repair patch job. This is the painted surface. This is what it all looks like painted. As you know, from day 1, I cut in and fabricated all new metal. You can see that's the all that right there is a seam sealer. I'm just looking at over what I've done. That's the seam sealer getting on the purge line. I didn't bother cleaning it off. But a little sandpaper will clean it up. It ain't hurt nothing. But if you fall all the way down, starting from day 1, and it's been like 30 days later, finally got to this point, maybe even longer, probably 60 days later, life happens, right? But anyway, so to break it down, first I cut metal, and I measured and I cut, created some templates. Went to my metal fitting tools and my vise, formed up that metal, fit it in place roughly, and then I cut it in and butted it, left the old metal in there. The old metal came out from the bottom as I was butt welding it in. I reached up there, and sure enough, there it was. Pulled it all out. You call it a cut and butt method, butt welding cut, but it was easier, and that was even with me doing some templates of what I had done. I do that pretty much a lot now. I will just I'll put new metal on top of the old, weld it in, and cut it out, and cut my use my angle grinder at a 45-degree angle to cut that angle so it meets up nicely. Anyway, cut and butt method. It's nothing new. I didn't create it. I used to do it in wood shop work. Alright, so I'm just looking at my work. My attempt is that it will keep the water out for the next 25 years. That's all I want. And so far it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Let me crawl up under here and move it to here. Yeah. That's there. I'm sure I might have missed a spot or two with some paint. That's no problem. I can throw some more paint and some more seam sealer up in there. That's no problem. After all, I was working in utter darkness under a lamp. But I wanted to get it done, because that's the only way you will get things done, is by working. That's the first step, is start. Second step is don't stop. Third step is finish it. It's called work. That's how you get things done. Alrighty. So anyway, I'm liking what I did. Yeah, I got some red paint on the frame. Black paint will fix that. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna climb up top here. Take a look at some other stuff. What I gotta do now is on the inside, pull my carpet back and put some seam sealer on that. Alright. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. I'm just going to do a walk around of the truck. I got some upcoming projects to do. Got to clear clear coat and put some base coat on that. Still looking for a bumper. One day I'll find a bumper. Alright. I'm just doing a Very seldom I have daylight, it seems. I'm working always in darkness. So I'm just coming down. Just take a look at my truck. I gotta still do this side. Now, I gotta get that side fixed up. So if you want to look at, that's the before. Alright, that's before. And that's after. So that's the after job. And at some point I had went and I had totally painted and used duplicolor and primer and got that whole side pretty much right. So it can be done. You'll see that in the and I'm gonna say the quarter panel repair. Forget what they called it. So anyway, the whole truck needs to be repainted, but I'm getting there. It's getting in stages. It's been 2 years and 8 months to get to this point. Yep, 2 years, 8 months. And it's a beautiful day today. Alright guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it better. I'm telling you right now, you are able. Become able, get able. Manual competence only comes by doing. Alright, you guys take care. Till next time.